Every project, whether it's building a skyscraper, launching new software, or even planning a wedding, faces uncertainty. Some projects succeed brilliantly while others fail, often because risks were ignored. That's where risk management comes in. In this video, I'll break down the risk management process, show you how to create a risk management plan, walk you through a simple example, and even explain what risk management services are. By the end, you'll know exactly how to manage risk in your own projects. Let's start with the basics. What is the risk management process? It's the structured approach organizations and project managers use to identify, assess, and respond to potential risks. Why does this matter? Because risks, like cost overruns, delays, technical issues, or compliance failures, can derail even the best project plans. A clear process helps you spot risks early and prepare smart responses. That's where the risk management plan comes in. It's your playbook for how risks will be handled throughout a project. The risk management process typically follows 5 main steps. Step 1. Identify risks. Brainstorm everything that could go wrong. Technical glitches, supply chain issues, financial setbacks. Step 2. Assess and analyze. Estimate the probability and potential impact of each risk. Step 3. Prioritize. Use tools like a risk matrix to decide which risks demand urgent attention. Step 4. Respond. Choose a strategy. Avoid the risk, mitigate it, transfer it, or accept it if it's low impact. Step 5. Monitor and review. Risks evolve, so keep updating your risk register throughout the project. Now, what exactly is a risk management plan? It's a formal document that explains the objectives, process, roles, tools, and reporting methods for managing risk. Think of it as the blueprint that keeps your team aligned on how risks will be handled. Here's a quick example. Imagine you're managing a software rollout. One risk is that critical bugs may delay the launch. Probability, medium. Impact, high. Response strategy, mitigate, by scheduling extra testing cycles and having a bug fix team on standby. This simple step ensures your team is never caught off guard. Beyond individual projects, companies often turn to risk management services. Definition: these are professional solutions provided by consultants, insurers, or specialized firms to help organizations identify, evaluate, and reduce risks. Examples include financial risk services, cybersecurity risk services, operational risk services, and project risk consulting for large projects. So how do you actually manage risk in practice? 3 quick tips. 1. Always start with a risk register. 2. Involve stakeholders. Get input from your team, clients, and vendors. 3. Update regularly. Risk management is not a one-time exercise, it's ongoing. Let's wrap this up. Today we covered the risk management process, how to build a risk management plan, a simple example, the role of risk management services, and practical steps to manage risk. Now I'd love to hear from you. What's the biggest risk you faced in a project, and how did you handle it? Share your story in the comments below. And if you found this helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and hit the bell icon for more project management tips.